The emergent layer is the highest level of the rainforest. The hardwood evergreens with broad leaves sometimes reach 180 to 200 feet in height. The trees in this emergent layer also receive the most sunlight. The trees usually do not grow close to each other. The trees will undergo different situations when compared to other trees in the rainforest. Some animals in the emergent layer are the Goliath bird, butterflies, bats, snakes, insects, the sloth, spider monkeys, the macaw, hummingbirds, and the harpy eagle. The canopy layer is located directly underneath the emergent layer. The canopy layer is the main layer for sustaining life because it has a great amount of food and also forms a natural roof over the other two layers below it. This layer is made of a thick layering branch system of limbs and vines that create a natural umbrella. This layer soaks up ultraviolet rays from the sun, shielding the plant and animals beneath the canopy layer from the UV rays. The canopy layer also holds on to the moisture and makes a natural shelter to prevent washouts during the great rain overflow from the tropical rainy seasons. Some animals in the canopy layer are lemurs, spider monkeys, toucans, orangutans, parrots, bats, tree frogs, ants, beetles, snakes, macaws, tree snails, the morpho butterfly, boa constrictors, jaguars, and leopards. The understory layer is located directly underneath the canopy layer and on top of the forest floor. Growth here is very thick. The understory layer is a dark, sometimes almost impassable natural environment tangled with vines, shrub, and broadleaf trees. This layer provides wonderful camouflage, and many of the species who live here go back and forth between this layer and the canopy layer. Trees here average 12 to 15 feet in height and have remarkably large leaves to make up for the lack of sunlight. The leaves are so big that one leaf could actually be used as an umbrella. Many species living in this layer are nocturnal. Some animals in the understory layer are birds, snakes, lizards, jaguars, boa constrictors, leopards, and insects. This area is very dark since hardly any sunlight reaches it. The soil quality is awfully poor and a small number of plants are found growing on the forest floor. There's moss, ferns, and some low-growth plants and vine roots growing here, but it is rich in microorganisms and the location is quick to decomposition, making a natural compost that is extremely rich. Some animals on the forest floor are elephants, the tapir, jaguars, tigers, leopards, pumas, insects, the armadillo, and the giant anteater.